Hey Stephanie, this is Wally here at Tameron Hyundai here in Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for your inquiry on this beautiful silver 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This is the particular vehicle that you inquired on. I'm going to show you just a few things about it. You got your nice halogen headlights with your LED strip pole lights down here at the bottom. You also have your chrome Accent grille. As you come around here to the side, you have your alloy wheels wrapped with brand new tires. You got your breakaway mirrors with your turn signal indicators. You got your nice chrome strip down the side. As you come here to the inside, you got your power windows, power locks, power seats. You got your Bluetooth right here on the steering wheel. And on the other side, you have your cruise control and all your buttons to toggle through the back display. You also have navigation and a backup camera in that big display. Air conditioning, CD player. And as you come here to the back, you got plenty of room here in the back for your passengers. Here in the back, you got your nice Sonata mats and your cargo net, and then you also have your spare tire here in the back. Now, Stephanie, I think this would be a great vehicle for you. I'd love to see you drive it off our lot. My name's Wally. I'll be the sales consultant helping you. You can best reach me on my cell phone, 256-689-6272, or call me here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you can go ahead and meet me. We're right here on 1595 Montgomery Highway, right across the street from the Wells Fargo Bank. And Stephanie, I'll see you tomorrow at 9:30, and at Tameron Hyundai, you'll love the way you're treated. See you tomorrow morning.